my name's Tyler, aka Thrifts and Tangles. Over on my channel, we talk about giving thrifting, sustainability, and our natural selves a chance. We do this with the goal of living a more earth-conscious and money-conscious lifestyle. So I'm really excited for today's video. Today we are going to talk about storage solutions to small apartments. I live in a 600 square foot apartment in LA, and I really needed to find ways to kind of hack the space to make room for more storage. So here are some space-saving storage solutions, storage hacks. I don't know what we're gonna call it. Whatever the title is, you know what the deal is. So let's get into the video. I'm gonna go vlog style and show you around. My first tip is to buy furniture that offers storage solutions. So as you can see behind me, I have an entryway table that has a top shelf, a middle shelf, and a bottom shelf. So that just gives me more space to put things around in. And let me show you a closer look. The light is crazy right now, but this just allows me to put a lot of stuff on it. Then when I went to buy a desk, I wanted a desk that had drawers just to give me space to kind of organize my items, instead of just a desk that didn't have drawers. This definitely helps to give me a little more space. So then I have an ottoman that doubles as a storage solution. And so inside I just have blankets and then some pillowcases and some games. And then I can close it and use it as an ottoman as well. And you can't really tell it's a storage ottoman, I don't think, but it comes in handy. And then I have a bed frame that has drawers underneath. And in the drawers, I just keep like socks, underwear, and then my pajamas. I personally really like IKEA's furniture. I think it's very affordable. I know people who like question the quality of IKEA, but the desk, the entryway table, and my bed frame are all from IKEA, and I feel like they definitely have mastered being able to offer storage solution furniture. So my second tip is to use boxes and baskets or even little catch-all bowls. That helps make things look way less messy. So as you can see on my entryway table, I have a catch-all bowl for the keys and hand sanitizer and random stuff. And then down low, I have this box that I wish this stuff fit in, but it doesn't. But this is all stuff for brands that I need to work on. And then this box has some tech stuff, I guess, and then some albums. But from far away, it just looks a lot less messy having everything in a box. So down low in the closet area, boxes come in handy. So I keep all of my like pants and jeans in this little basket, and then our socks we keep in this basket right here. And just from far away, it looks a little neater. I feel like you can't go wrong with a basket, a box, all the things. You could get them really cheap at the thrift store, so definitely consider doing that. My third tip is to buy items that can double in usage. So for example, right here I have a little shoe sorter. Don't mind the shoes down there, those are drying right now, we just cleaned them. But this is such a great shoe organizer. I got it from the Container Store, and I like that it's clear and it just doesn't seem like I don't know, it doesn't take away from the space. It kind of like blends nicely into the space, I think. And then it also doubles as a plant stand. My plants are dying. If you have tips on taking care of plants, leave those in the comments below. I need some help. I don't know what's going on with this, but yeah, it organizes my shoes and then doubles as a plant stand. So another thing I have that doubles in usage that wasn't really meant to, like I didn't think of it when I bought it, is I have these bar stools in my kitchen table. So instead of having to have a nightstand here always taking up space, at night we keep it here, and then during the day we move it back under the table. So if you can find ways that you can use your furniture in multiple ways, that is a great way to save space and save some money. Next tip is to utilize all spaces. So for me, that means I have stuff on top of the fridge. I also have stuff on top of the cabinets. And then I have stuff on top of the, I don't know what to call this, the wardrobe. So shoes up there, there's like a steamer up there, cereal up there. But then I also make sure to utilize, like I have this beautiful mirror right here. There's stuff behind this mirror. I have like camera equipment, a baseball bat, random stuff behind there. And you best believe there's stuff under my bed. So I showed you the one side of my bed that had drawers, but the other side of my bed doesn't have drawers, but I just kind of stick stuff under there, like clothes and stuff for the next season. And then on the side of my couch, there's stuff hiding there, but it's kind of out of sight, so it doesn't look very messy. Like from here, you can't even really tell there's stuff hiding. So that is definitely a way to get the most out of your space. Like squeeze your items anywhere where you can, where it doesn't become out of sight, out of mind, because that becomes a problem too when you just hide stuff and then you don't know that you have it. Like make sure what you own is stuff that you actually use and need, and just be very intentional about what you are keeping, because it's easy to clutter a small apartment very quickly. So if you're hiding stuff, just make sure it's not going to be like a few years down the line, you're like, oh, I forgot I had this. My next tip is to go up and use your walls. So I have plants hanging from the walls. I also have an ironing board that hangs from the wall. And then the thing I thought was the coolest is I found these command hooks that are meant for brooms and mops. So my broom and my mop hang from the wall. And then I have some organization for my jewelry. I have like all my necklaces and some of my bracelets and earrings hanging from the wall. The wall really is a great way to utilize space if you use up all your floor space. I also hung this up today. Let me go show you. I had this thing that I feel like most people who go to a thrift store have seen this at the thrift store or they own it, but we decided to put mask on it. So the walls are a great way to just really find storage solutions for anything that is becoming kind of messy and needs to have a designated home. My next tip is all about the closet area. Try to find a closet solution that is the best for you. I find that having a clothing rack really helps, and then underneath, if you could get one that has like room for you to do storage. Some clothing racks have like shelving units, which would be really nice. I actually want to get one that has shelving to allow for more storage. And then if you can get like a wardrobe or an armoire or some sort, you can of course put clothes in there. And then I have this hanging thing that, this is actually a bookshelf I think my landlord's owned, and then this is like a little wardrobe thing. In between this, there was like blank space. So I bought a tension rod on Amazon and I put it in between, and I put one of these hanging racks just so I could better utilize the space, because otherwise this would be wasted space. It's like a weird small little area. Like I don't know what would fit in there besides maybe a broom and a mop, but my broom and mop are hanging from the wall back there. So getting really clever about the spaces you have that are maybe too tiny to put anything, go to Pinterest. Pinterest has some great like ideas, and it's a great place to brainstorm and to get inspired for how to like utilize a closet space. So I would definitely recommend that. But I think that definitely helps. Also having little baskets and whatnot in the closet space. I have baskets to organize my little pouches, and then I have like these little things to organize my jewelry. I love like these little storage things. I think I got these from Daiso. These little storage things really come in handy. My bracelets are in here, but baskets, boxes, little storage drawers, even pouches just are a really good way to kind of keep the closet area looking neat and getting the most out of your space. My last tip for saving space / like storage solutions is to crush your cans. So my fiance drinks a lot of Monsters, and we find that they either fill up the recycling bin way too quickly, or they fill up our cabinet space way too quickly, and they get very messy. So what you can do is crush the can, and I have this thing right here. These are called rebins, and basically I just put my recycling in these, and it's like nice looking, so it kind of matches the apartment. It looks a little less messy. It looks more intentional. But anyways, we crush our cans with this little can crusher right here. I don't think I'm strong enough to demonstrate, but basically one can going in here takes up that much space versus a crushed can taking up this much space. So being able to crush our cans has been a game changer. We got this from Height and Freight, I think it's called. I'll put it in the description box down below. I'll put everything I mentioned in the description box down below. So those are my tips for how to maximize storage in a small apartment. I hope those tips were helpful. Let me know in the comments below which tip was your favorite, which one will you be trying out, which one have you already done? Do you have any tips of your own that could be helpful for some people? I really, really would love to hear what you have to say. So if you like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.